computer simulation using a spatial grid invariance does not exist under all displacements. Such properties can be analyzed by the gridless theory. We have already seen some effects of the grid on the force in section 4.8. In most simulations, a grid with constant spacing x is used. Such properties can be analyzed by the gridless theory. Those properties of the plasma which are little affected by the lack of displacement invariance are expected to be similar to those of a plasma with two-particle force equal to the p equals 0 or average force F0 x. The sign and normalization for the Fourier integral are followed throughout. The sign and normalization for the Fourier integral are followed throughout. The sign and normalization for the Fourier integral are followed throughout. In this case, the force F x minus half x, x plus 1/2 x, considered as a function of displacement x with separation constant, is periodic with period x. X equals 1/2 x1 plus x2 as well as x. Such properties can be analyzed by the gridless theory.